Good morning, dear children. In our last class, we have started exercise 7.3. In the third main, fourth main, we have done children. So today I am going to explain fifth main. Very easy. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 with. I have told you children, they have given one main question, and for this main question, they have given two sub questions. That is A and B. Two sub questions they have given. I have told you in fourth main I have taught you children the main question you have to write for A and B also. 36 by 48. Correct? So leave some space. Put is equal to and write numerator 9. Numerator means where it will come. Numerator is a place which comes above the line. So 9 is here. Down what we have to write? We don't know. Only this much we have. So now tell me children, in 36, 9 is there. In 36 table 9 is there. 36 table can we say? No, we don't know 36 table. So in 36 table 9 is not there. We don't know whether it is there or not. So what to do? We have to divide children. 36 divided by 9. 36 divided by 9. In 9 table 36 is there or not? 9 4s are 36. So what is the answer? 4 is the answer. 4 you write here children. Getting my point? 4. What operation we have done here? Division. Which number you have taken up? The same number you have to take down also. 4. Now 48 divided by 4. Do rough. 48 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 0. Now take this 8 down. 4 twos are 8. 0. So what is the answer? 12. 12 is the answer. So 9 by 12 is the answer. Understood children? So now come to B question. Denominator 4. First main question we have to write 36 divided by 48. Leave some space and put is equal to denominator 4. Where we have to write 4? In which place? Denominator place 4. So now again, in 48 table 4 is there? No. In 48 is a big number teacher, in that 4 is not there. So that time you have to what to do? Divide. Divide children. 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 0. This 8 take down. 4 twos are 8. So what is the answer children? 12 is the answer. Divided by 12. Which number you have taken down? The same number you must take up also. So 36 divided by 12. Do rough. 36 divided by 12. 12 threes are 36. So what is the answer? 3. 3 by 4 is the answer. Understood children how to find out? How to find out the equivalent fractions for the given number. So now come to the sixth question. That is, check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Okay, they have given two fractions here. We have to check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. How to check teacher? See here, same we have to write is equal to 5 by 9, 30 by 54. As it is you write, as it is. With what fractions they have given, the same fraction we have to write. And cross multiplication we have to do. These two we have to multiply children. See here, these two and 49 is equal to 54 into 5. Do rough work and write. 54 into 5. Do rough work, children. 54 into 5. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25 plus 2. 27. 270. This one 9 zeros are 0. 9 threes are 27. See, both the answers are same. 270, 270. Both the answers are same. Yes or no? So what to write? Therefore, given fractions are equivalent. Given fractions are equivalent. Understood? What to do, children? Very simple. Very simple. See here? They have given a question. We have to write the same question as it is down and cross multiplication, multiply and write the answer. If you will get the same number, same to same number, then write given fractions are equivalent. If you will get a different numbers, here 270, here 260, different numbers, then you write given fractions are not equivalent. Understood, children? Will you do the next two sums? Okay. Now what is seventh mean? See here. So now what is seventh mean, children? See here. Seventh mean. Reduce the following fractions to simplest form. Reduce means what? Cancellation. Reduce and simplest form, these two words are very important. When you will see reduce or a simplest form, these two words you have to cancel the fractions. How to cancel, teacher? See here, 48 and 60. 48 and 60, the two numbers they have given. These two numbers must divide from the same table. These two should be there in a same table. For example, in which table these two numbers will be? 48 and 60. Which table? 12 table. See here, in 12 table these two numbers are there. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. In 12 table, 48 and 60, both the numbers are there, so we have to cancel. 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. From same table only you have to cancel. Come to next, children. See, here 1 0 is there, here 1 0 is there. Cancel these two zeros. We can cancel 1 0, 1 0. See, for example, if it is like this. Teacher, here 1 0 is there, here 1 0 is there. We can cancel, teacher? No, children. You can cancel the zeros when it will be in a units place or tens place. Otherwise, you cannot cancel. See here, after 0, number is there. After 0, number should not be there. Then only we can cancel. Understood? So, 0, 0 get cancelled. 15 and 6 is remaining. 15 and 6. Okay. From which table? In 3 table? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. In 3 table these two numbers are there. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Understood? Now come to see. Which table, children? Think. In which table? 14 table. 14 6 are 84. 14 6 are 84. 14 7 are 98. Understood? Like this only you have to cancel the next two questions, D and E. Very simple, you can do that. Now, 8th question. So, 8th question, keep your finger, children. Ramesh had 20 pencils, okay. Okay, how many pencils Ramesh is having now? 20 pencils. Sheelu had 50 pencils. Okay, Sheelu is having 50 pencils. And Jamal had 80 pencils. Okay, how many pencils they are having? They have given numbers. After 4 months after, Ramesh used up 10 pencil. Okay, now tell me children, Ramesh, total how many pencils he was having, children? Total 20 pencils he was having. In that, how many pencils he used up? Total number we have to write down, 20. In that, how many pencils he used? 10 pencils he used. Over. Next is Sheelu. Total how many pencils? She was having 50 pencils. In that, how many she used? See there? Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Sheelu used up 25 pencils. Next, Jamal, how many pencils he was having? 80. In that, how many he used? Jamal used up 40 pencils. 40 pencils. So what is the next question? See then, what fraction did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of his pencils. Okay, what fraction did each use up? See here children, Ramesh was having 20 pencils. In that he used 10 pencils. How many pencils are remaining now? Still 10 pencils are remaining. 10 he used, 10 he didn't use. Next here 50 pencils she is having. In that 25 she used, 25 not used. 80 pencils Jamal is having. In that 40 pencils he used, 40 not used. See here, 10 used, 10 not used. 25 used, 25 not used. 40 used, 40 not used. So what you have understood? Equal number of pencils everybody used or not? Yes or no? Equal. So right? Therefore, yes, they used equal number of pencils. Very simple. See here children, if you analyze, if you understand the question, then you can write, you can solve any question in the mathematics. Please show your interest. Okay, if you have any doubts, please call me or message me. I'll clear your doubts. Okay, thank you children.